So what's one to do? This is where companies are finding themselves at a crossroads, right? Path A is scrap the lot and design a new data model from scratch. No duplicate systems, no duplicate tasks, streamline data flows from ingestion, transformation, and reporting. If you choose this path, you've got companies like Databricks and Palantir who will be happy to help. Or path B, you decide to try and make the mess of a system your organization currently calls business as usual and slap on a new layer of tech to bring it all together. So between these two paths, how does one decide? It's one word: budget.